Today we've prepared a list of English-French words and French-English words so that English-speaking people can make fun of French-speaking people and French-speaking people can make fun of English-speaking people. Just kidding, guys, don't make fun of each other. It's just an exercise to see how these words are pronounced in the respective languages. Let's have a go.
Yeah, we want you to pronounce all these words like a true Frenchie, even when it sounds ridiculous.
Okay. And she's not taller than me, by the way. I'm just slouching in the chair.
Okay, Mr. English speaker, you start.
Entrepreneur.
You should say entrepreneur.
Lingerie.
What is that? Lingerie.
Nuisance.
We say nuisance.
Hors catégorie.
No. Hors catégorie.
Hors d'oeuvre.
What's that? Hors d'œuvre.
Littérature.
Littérature. There's no ch.
Architecture.
Ch again. Architecture.
Renaissance.
Renaissance.
Armoire.
Armoire. Yeah, you guys in English struggle to say the the French r.
Vivant.
Bon vivant.
Chic.
Chic.
Coup de grâce.
Coup de grâce.
Dossier.
Dossier. Yeah, now we're going to a different list. These are English words that we use in French, and we have our horrible French accent when we pronounce them.
Okay, your turn now.
No, you start and then
You're the Frenchie. So
No,
you're supposed to say the English-French words because you can pronounce them the best.
No, they have to pronounce these English words like a true Frenchie. That's why I have to correct.
Ah, okay, so that's what this is about. All right. Bit of confusion there. Burger.
Un burger.
Smartphone.
Smartphone.
Box internet.
La box internet.
But there's no la there.
Mhm.
Camping.
Le camping.
Bestseller.
Best-seller.
Smoothie.
Smoothie.
Marketing.
Marketing.
Home trainer.
Le home trainer.
Interview.
Interview.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Freelance.
Freelance.
Business plan.
Le business plan. That's it. If you have other words like that, please share it with us and maybe we'll do another video. I hope you liked it. It was cool.
Ciao.